Good afternoon, ngayon po ay June 5, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2pm draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2pm draw result ngayong June 5, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2pm. 3D Lotto 2pm draw result ngayong Friday, June 5, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2pm. 'See you again later for 5pm draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 5, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, June 5, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2pm video for afternoon of June 5, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.